So up here at the top of this little pine tree, some kind of little tiny bird. Anybody know what kind of bird this is? It seems to be bigger than a hummingbird, slightly. Smaller than a finch, I think. Right up at the tippy top there. Sometimes goes behind the tree and you can't really see it. There you go, good picture of it right there. What in the world is that little bird? So if you know what it is, please give me a comment. It goes back and forth between these pine trees. Let's see if I can get any closer. And we are down by the Rio Grande River. That's a cute little bird.